Hello friends! In this video, I will guide you through how to fix apps not opening in Windows 11. First, open the search bar and type System Updates. Click on Check for Updates and download and install any available updates. Once done, go to Advanced Options. Click on Optional Updates and install all updates. Restart your computer, go to the bottom right on your taskbar, right-click on Date and Time. Click on Adjust Date and Time and set your region to the correct region. Enable Set Time Zone automatically and Set Time automatically. Then click on Sync Now. Restart your computer, go to the search bar, type in Add or Remove Programs. Click on it. Find the problematic app and go to its advanced option. Click on Terminate first and then click on Repair. Wait for it and try to open the app. If it doesn't work, go back to the advanced option and click on Reset. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.